There's this weird thing with the brain that I've identified with hundreds of 1% traders who do really well, pull consistent profits from the market. And it's this idea that they don't really need the money that they're making. They don't have any level of desperation on the trade or on the individual trade because really, frankly, they don't care about the outcome of the individual trade. They're so unbothered whether they win or whether they lose. And it's this idea that the more someone grips something, like trying to grip a toad, the tighter they grip it, the more it slips out of their hands. And the more infatuated they are with it, the more they put it up on a pedestal, the more they undermine that particular thing. So I've observed on countless occasions consistently that the best traders don't need the profits they're making. And the traders that don't need the profits they're making are the ones that end up making a significant amount of profits because they're not trading from a stance or a perspective of desperation. They're trading from a perspective of process. They've identified their edge. They know their trading plan like the back of their hand, and they're just focused on sticking to it consistently. And because they don't need the profits, they're not desperate for the profits, they're not trying to grab some sort of outcome and grip onto it, they just effortlessly make money in the markets. So heading into 2026, I want you to focus on doing this. Clearly outline your edge. Know exactly what you're looking for in terms of your trading edge. Write it down, have it in a simple checklist, and your focus is not coming onto each individual trade wanting something from the market, not trying to impose your expectations or your ideal outcomes onto the market. All you're focused on now is consistently executing that plan. Because remember, the more you want a certain outcome from the market and the more infatuated you are with it and the more you associate pleasure to it, by the law of contrast, the law of polarity, then the opposite outcome, a loss or not getting what you want, is incredibly painful. And it's that polarity that ultimately spirals you into over trading or revenge trading and triggers you into certain states that are unproductive for your trading. So clearly define your edge. Make sure you have an income outside of the market if you're just getting started, or have cash savings so you don't need profits from the individual trades. And then focus dispassionately on executing on your trading plan consistently. And what you'll find is the moment you stop wanting profits and the moment you stop thinking about having profits, that's exactly when the profits will come.